Hi guys, today I'm going to create a Multani Mitti pack for acne prone skin. Multani Mitti has been around in India for so long. Most women trust Multani Mitti for their skins. That's because it's really good. It gives you a good glow and keeps your skin clear. Mostly it helps clear out your pores, and it also kind of helps with the excess oil production which is produced by your gland. So eventually it prevents acne. So yeah, come, let's get started.
For this we need 1 spoon of Multani Mitti, 2 teaspoons of aloe gel and rose water. So first I'll take a bowl and I'll add the Multani Mitti to the bowl. Now I'll add aloe gel. And I'm adding the rose water now. So here we have it guys, Multani Mitti pack is done.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to #gorgeous.